Good morning, students. I'm Dr. Nitesh Kumar Mishra. Yesterday, I teach you about orthography and especially vowels. We discuss what is vowels and its organs. Today, I again brief discussion about vowels. Okay, so ready? Vowels. Vowels, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and A, E, I, O, U. You can say this is vowel sounds. Vowels letter, not sounds. Words are built by letters from vowel and consonant. The letter W and Y are a bit different, so both of them are known as semi-vowel because when both of them used in the first of a word acts as a consonant, but when used this in the middle or last of a word acts as a vowel. Okay, as watch, here W is a consonant, and when you say way, W-A-Y, here W is a consonant but Y is used as a vowels. Pa, here is W is a vowels. Okay, vowel. A vowel is a symbolic speech sound pronounced without any structure in the vocal tracts. Vowels vary in quality, in loudness, and also in quality length. They are usually voiced and are closely involved in episodic variations such as tone, intonation, and stress. The word vowels comes from the Latin words vocalis, meaning vocal, that means relating to the voice. In English, the word vowel is commonly used to refer both to vowel sounds and to the written symbol that represent them as A, E, I, O, U. There are two complementary definitions of words, one phonetic and other phonological. In the phonetic definition, a vowel is a sound such as the English ah or oh, produced with an open vocal tract. It is medium. The air escapes along the middle of the tongue. Oral. At least some of the airflow must escape through the mouth. Frictionless and continuant. There is no significant buildup of air pressure of any point above the glottis. In the phonological definition, a vowel is defined as syllabic, the sound that forms the peak of a syllable. A phonetically equivalent but non-syllabic sound is a semi-vowel. In oral language, phonetic vowels normally form the peak nucleus of many or all syllables, whereas consonants form the onset, and in languages that have them code, some languages allow other sounds to form the nucleus of a syllable, such as the syllabic, that means vocalic. The phonetic definition of vowels, that means a sound produced with no construction in the vocal tracts, does not always match the phonological definition, that means a sound that forms the peak of a syllable. The approximate J and W. illustrate this, the phonetic and phonemic definition would still conflict for the syllabic L in table or the syllabic verb nasal in bottom in rhythm. The traditional view of vowel production reflected, for example, in the terminology and presentation of the International Phonetic Alphabet, is one of the articulatory features that determined a vowel quality as distinguishing it from other vowels. There are there are additional features of vowel quality such as the velum position, nasality, type of vocal fold, vibration, and tongue root position. The International Phonetic Alphabet defines 7 degrees of vowels height, but no language is known to distinguish all of them without distinguish another attribute. That means close, near close, close mid, mid, open mid, near open, open. English has 20 vowel sounds according to International Phonetic Alphabet. Short vowels, long vowels, and diphthongs vowels. Short vowels: E as pit, E pet, A part, A cut, put, dog, about, big, heart, fork, heart, boot. In diphthongs vowels as palace, home, mouse, clear, care, boy, fine, tour. Okay, now you know the difference of letter and sound. There are only 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes W and Y are also used as a vowel in the word, but sounds are different. Okay, there are 20 sounds in English according to International Phonetics Alphabet. Okay, thank you, bye bye.